we continue with this with our topic. So the big topic is so it's actually we were talking about this 10 days of repentance, right? All the halakha training and asking forgiveness is the next topic. Okay. So it says Mechilah is forgiveness, must be asked for any infraction done to a child as well. This needs to be asked of the child after he or she becomes bar or bas mitzvah. Although it is praiseworthy also to ask them earlier, at the time of the sin. So it's very interesting concept, right? So children, they are not they're not capable, right, to make some decisions, like business decisions, right? That's why they we always, for example, if it's orphaned, we always assign a guardian to manage their money, to manage their property, and so they cannot sell or buy by themselves, and they cannot as well give somebody forgiveness, provide somebody forgiveness. So if somebody offended a child, and happened many times, and it was undeserved, right? Let's say, right? So a person can ask forgiveness, and it's proper to ask forgiveness at that time, but ask a second time, right? Remember, write down on your calendar, and today is very simple. If you have a cell phone, if you're going to keep you have a calendar on your computer, and it's synchronized on all of the other devices, it's very interesting. So you can set up a date, right, in the future, like 4 years from now, on these dates, on Adar 7th, right? So you can, today's, was it the Yortzei of Moshe Rabbeinu, right? And I want to ask for forgiveness of this child. Right. Today is much easier, but in all the days, that's what people did. Right. An adult need not ask Mechilah from people whom she sinned against when she was a child. That's very interesting thing, right? So as we know, until a certain age, this child is not responsible for his or her actions. So this lady, she was a girl. Right, and let's say, and now she turned 12 in this year. Let's say so, and until she turned 12, she's not obligated to ask forgiveness. Okay, because it was done by a child. Very interesting. And child usually not responsible for their action, and that's why, like, we cannot ask child to watch our things. For example, right? If somebody steals our things, we ask the child, so the child is not responsible. Right, or if you ask adult to watch over your things, you pay for, let's say you pay some money to this adult. Yeah, you can ask, you can take them to court, and you can even make them pay under some circumstances the whole amount. Okay, but not from child. So child is not responsible. In order to obtain forgiveness from someone who is no longer alive, it is necessary to go to the gravesite and ask there. They say, see, Shulchan Aruch. So Rambam said in Hilchas Teshuvah, so you have to gather 10 people, 10 kosher Jews, and go to the cemetery, and there is a special formula, right? How you ask forgiveness, right? So it's not so simple. So one of the things is very interesting. You gather 10 Jews, so it becomes public. So even like maybe all your life you try to keep it down, to keep it quiet. From the public eye, so now everybody would know. Okay, so it's better to ask everybody while people still alive.